Hip dimples, what are they? Hip dimples are naturally occurring, inward curves. What causes hip dimples? Hip dimples are caused by the shape of your pelvis. Although, not everyone will have noticeable hip dimples, if reduced to a skeleton, all of us would have an indentation where the hip bone meets the top of the thigh. Hip dimples are a normal part of your body's structure. Are hip dimples good or bad? A common misconception is that hip dimples, or a lack of hip dimples, are a sign of how healthy you are. However, as already ascertained, hip dimples are associated with the shape of your bones, something which cannot be changed. Here are the type of workout that cover the hips dimple. Please stay with us, watch and do this workout every day for 2 weeks, to get effective results. Diet for healthy hips. Weight gain. Oatmeal is more commonly thought of as a diet food, but it can help you gain weight too. In fact, making healthy diet foods like oatmeal and milk part of your meal plan as you gain weight ensures you're getting lots of nutritional value, instead of packing on the pounds by eating junk food. Please subscribe to Balday Beauty Home to get more healthy living lifestyle. Thanks once again.